So if you're like me and you have sweaty hands when you're playing squash, you'll notice that there's a little bit of a shine on your grip. So you can see there's a little bit of a shine, and that's the slippery part. And you can see here, it's a little bit rougher, and that's not slippery. So what I've done is I've taken just a regular piece of sandpaper and just sanded it down. And that's all you do, is sand it down, not too hard, just enough to take the shine off the grip. So you can see in here, there's still a little bit of shine. So what I'll do is I'll just, and again, it's not very hard, it's just enough to take the shine off. And that's almost done. And I'm pretty happy with that. So all you then do is just take the grit off, wipe your hand, take the grit off, and now you've got a nice, good grip. And even with the sweaty hand, you'll see that that will last probably twice as long as your current grip. And then when this wears out, just get a new grip.